Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Accord that generation from year 2008 to year 2012. If you guys have one of those and you need to find where the canister valve fuse, canister solenoid fuse is located, you have up to 2 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. Stay with us, we'll explain where the fuses are located, where to buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that we'll be covering in this video today, guys. For your convenience, make sure it's the end till the end. Before replacing canister valve solenoid, before messing with it, always test the fuses first, because that could be causing your problems. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that Honda Accord, that generation from year 2008 to 12, we'll be making video for every fuse, every relay. Why we do that, guys? To save you time and money. Because in the manual, it's not clear what the fuses are for. On those little bitty labels, you have abbreviations that you have no idea what it means. And let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, or you need to find a cigarette lighter fuse because you cannot charge your phone and your navigation doesn't work. Stay with us, guys, and we're going to share videos on that channel for every single fuse and relay. Another thing, every single car, guys, that we get at our garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. The mechanical videos will be on our main YouTube channels right there, guys. Altogether we have about 1.2 million subscribers. We have helped over 1 million people save thousands of dollars. And let me show you something else, guys. If you need to buy relays, fuses at a really good price, guys, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way you don't waste time and money, guys, because some of those could be really expensive. You have those special fuses that are specific Honda fuses that could be really expensive, hard to find, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can find the fuses. Realize that way you don't waste your money. So here, guys, we're going to demonstrate where the canister valve solenoid fuses are located on 2010 on the Accord right here. Fun fact, you have 3 different fuse boxes, but we're working just 2 of them. So the first fuse box will be on the inside. Under the dash, on the driver's side, you have a fuse box above the pedals. Look upside down, guys, and you're going to find that you have a fuse box that looks just like this one right here. You can see that's the layout right here. Before we continue now quickly, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check one fuse, then we're going to go to a different fuse box. Next to the fuses, you will see numbers that indicate which fuse it is. So the fuse that we need to check in that fuse box, we're talking about fuse number 7, which is a 15 amp fuse in our case, right here. Now, under the hood, you're going to have, okay, another fuse. Let me show you. Right there, that's a fuse box. Right there, that's a fuse box here, guys. Open that cover, and you will see a fuse box that looks just like this one right here. Now, which fuse we need to check? If you come in that row of fuses right here, guys, you need to check fuse number 14, which is that 15 amp fuse as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.